Resort. So by the way, I'm Larissa, one of the associates dito. So here's our map, serves as your guide.
Hello everyone! We are here at Malagos Garden Resort here in Barangay Malagos, Davao City. Of course, dito kami for one night. Mag-overnight po kami. This is our room. This is the Palmera room. The Palmera room is a family villa. It has 2 bedrooms. It's really very comfy. And this is the receiving area or the living room. So look at the CR, it's a huge one. They also have here mga complimentary na mga soap. And the rooms, this is kumbaga master's bedroom nila. It has 1 queen size bed. And the view, this is our view. This is the second room. Pang pamilya yun siya. So, siya 2 single beds and 2 extra single beds. So, a total of 4 single beds over here. Isa lang ni siya sa daghan ng mga rooms din here sa Malagos because kung magawas ka bayi, you can see several villas. So, depende lang jud kung unsa or pila mo kadaghan. Diba? So, join us sa amo ang pag-video karon all throughout this vlog because we will be sharing with you our experience here in Malagos Garden Resort. We are leaving the room and we're going to the Roberto's restaurant to have some snacks. Hello kuya! Good afternoon po! Snacks muna dito sa Roberto's restaurant. So we have hot choco and suman. Actually, dalawang suman, but I gave the other suman to the baby girl. First is we need to choose which molder. First is we have to give it to Ma'am Sheng. Next is choose which topping. So Yana chose marshmallow. Dara, hair lang man na. It's just... Hold ka sa tail, no? Don't utot me. So we're here sa bird feeding dome.
Don't move, Yana. Ay, ka-brave girl. A brave girl. Ah, so cute! Yay! Brave girl! Don't touch, Yana. Look lang.
1, 2,
Sigaw.
One, two, three, smile. Dali ka sa likod. One, two, three, smile.
I'm holding it.
I would never.
Smile dito, Be.
Be, look here, Be.
Hi. What's your name? Ano niya, sir?
Midori, ma'am.
Sir?
Midori.
Midori. Midori green. Green gali. We're going to Koi Cafe and have our dinner. Actually, Koi Cafe is para siyang alfresco dining. Open air. Hey, ma'am. Sorry po. And also, we have here the, we call it poodle platter. So, our pork ribs over there and as well our bourbon roasted chicken. And we have the rice and also the fruits and season. We have the papaya and then watermelon.
Okay, so nasa din karon balik sa among room. And we have here the chocolates. Yeah. Ang gift. Buhat ka ganiha sa chocolate museum. So let's distribute. This is for Titi Ari.
Yeah.
This is for Uni Bigil. This is for Mother.
Thank you. Mother, thank you.
Mother. And this is for Yana's mommy. For Yana. And this is for Daddy. Daddy. Wow.
Yay!
This is your chocolate.
Wow, cute!
Here's the bunny, baby. Here's the bunny. Oh, wala na itsura ang bunny. Nadak si Granny, babe. Ay, napo doon bunny kay Granny.
Wala na yung bunny mo, ha? Wala na yung bunny
Ah, wala
kaya.
na yung bunny, ha? Pero bunny. With chili and rock salt. Malasahan na yun mo ang rock salt.
Sikat yung gibo. Wala ko tagtawad yun.
Wala pa na ako nalasahan ng chili.
Sabi na po kong bunny.
Bayoy?
May na lang ako,
Wala.
walay.
Chocolate ko lang panalo
chili.
na. Ay, na. After taste.
May na lang ako, walay chili.
The best. Dili.
Morning po! Today is our second day and mag-check out na kami mamaya. But, first order of business, breakfast here at Koi Cafe. I think mas ma-appreciate na to karon ang view sa Koi Cafe because it's already daytime. Egg station. Sir, duha ka sunny side up, sir, pero malasado. O isa ka scrambled na lang po, sir. Tapos na kami nag-breakfast. And now, padulong sa petting zoo. Tara. So, ang nakanindot din sa Malagos is na ice shuttle na pwede maghatod sa mga guests from one location to another. Labi na kung layo. Pero kung dool, I suggest, pwede naman po ito magbaktas for sightseeing. Petting zoo. Hi, Granny.
Ito what lang siya. Isa pa.
Hold lang. Steady lang po. Steady lang po.
Wait lang, ikaw. Ilagay mo naman. Luwi ka dyan.
Pagod.
Magod sa bato. Ay, nala na. Ana, dapat iba.
Ana.
Ana. Oh, like that. Di ay mag-feed.
Good morning!
Nila i-color lang ang sabi no? Isang mouth no?
Ng beak.
Lalo na pre.
Titi.
Ikaw lang.
Kami may nagunit sa cellphone.
Ano ka cute man di ay sa color. Yeah, such a cutie. Just like you.
No.
Oh,
What is getting blow down the taxi?
ito na po si Kuya Kim.
You know